Here I have DOOGE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, and then to the date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, firstly you have to disable this feature, use network provided time, and here you can set up your date, here you can set up your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this feature, use network provided time zone. Firstly you have to select your region, and then you can select your time zone, and you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. But yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.